To use Laelaps, press the icon to open the app. Once the app opens, turn on your handheld communicator so that it fast flashes. That indicates that the device is advertising. Press the scan button, and when your handheld communicator's name shows up, press it to connect the app to your handheld communicator. The app and the communicator will exchange data, including the collars that it controls, and that data will show up in the menu. Now, to change the name of your handheld communicator, press the name at the top. In this case, it's the default name, Gateway, and put in your name. There you have it. We have one collar connected. It's already loaded into the handheld communicator. To turn on the collar, press the dot next to the name of the collar. That sends a radio command for the collar to start reporting positions. Once the collar reports positions, it will show with an arrow having its direction. A dot on the nose of the collar indicates that the collar is on point. When the dog is running, the dot on the nose goes away. And when the dog goes to a tree, a tree shows up on the end of the collar icon on the map. If you leave the radio on, it will stay on. If you want to turn the radio off, just press the green dot again, and the radio will stop communicating. To get into details on the collar, press to the right of the collar name. There you can change the collar's name with the edit next to Joel's name. You can change the color that the collar will show on the map. You can turn off the collar. You see its battery settings. The GPS enabled is another way of turning the collar radio on and off. The distance to the collar. The location last updated indicates the time that you last received a report. The VHF channel will change from 1 to 5. You can change the VHF interval from 2 to 60 seconds. The LED beacon is the light on top of the collar, and it will strobe if you hit the strobe button. The alert volume and vibrate will tell you if the collar is on tree or point. And breadcrumbs puts a line on the map for the course of the collar over the map. Finally, if you want to remove the collar, you just hit the delete collar. That's the basics.